So we have 6 passes now. We're going to run these 3 products through a couple times and try to come up with a setting that works for all of these products. Now they've been out of the freezer, I guess, for whatever. 29 degrees for the poppers. 39 degrees for the onion rings. 34 degrees for the cheese curds. Okay, so now we're going to start that process. So I'm going to take the first bag, run it through. Now I'm going to run the jalapeno poppers. And we're going to cheat a little bit, and I'm just going to run the whole thing, just for fun. Now I'm going to run, so that's the first pass. Now I'm going to run the other bag of jalapeno poppers. I already ran that one. Let's run this one. Here's the another bag of the onion rings. Then we'll run. So now it's trying to figure out which frequencies it needs because it saw different signals every pass. So it says it's done. So now what I want to do is before I look to see what it says it can get, I want to see what it does here at this setting. Any bars? Any bars? So no signal at all on the bars. Okay? So what it says it can detect at that setting, 1.8, 1.8, 2.5. So one setting for those products. Now let's run your test samples. Let's just go with stainless because that's the one that Robert cares about and David cares about the most. Here's stainless steel. 2.5 millimeter stainless steel. 4. That's forward. Here it is backside. 3.2. Now I'll run it this way. 4.0. Okay, let's run the non-ferrous. Oh yeah, no, let's run onion rings. Yeah. 2.3. Other direction. Oh, sorry. Getting a little soft there. Okay, so no problem in any orientation with stainless steel. I like to go overboard a little bit. Let's do a double punch. See what happens. I have no idea. This probably is going to start to set it off.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah, without the sample. Without the sample.
Plot it after.
How many signals? Few bars.
Yeah.
So we're now going to try that breaded, this warm breaded product. It's about onion rings. It's about 70 to 73 degrees. Just a whole bunch of onion rings in a box. We're going to go ahead and set it up and do an auto learn now to learn the signal from this product. And we'll just go ahead and hit program. Down to auto learn. Scroll down. Enter. And it says auto learn is off. Go ahead and hit enter and you'll see that start to flash. Go up. Okay. Auto detection mode selection is off. We wanted to do the multi-level, multi-frequency simultaneously, so that it's on that already, so we're going to keep it the way it is. We're going to say 6 passes, just so we can give it a variety, let it see a whole bunch of different orientations and different boxes, because one box to the next might be a little different. Here is we're going to do the inspection on the 73-degree onion rings. What do you call them? Raw? Raw breaded onion rings, right off line 3, I think. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and set them up. So it says it's done. Let's watch what happens on the display. Anything? Anything? So now we're going to cheat. It says 1.8, 1.8, 2.5. Same as what we saw with the bags. But let's just verify. That was stainless. Here's 2.0 non-ferrous. And here is 2.0 ferrous. Going right through the middle of the aperture. Perfect. 9.3. So now I just like, after I run the test, I also like to do this just to verify, to show Robert that I'm not playing any hocus pocus here. We like to run it and just make sure that it's not actually setting, is it still not doing anything? So Robert, let's go ahead and run those just for fun too.
Okay. Do you want to come over here to the office to grab your lunch?
Anything?
Nothing.
Was it giving you any signal at all? No. Okay, so
run the sample again?
Which one?
The blue, yeah.
His favorite color.
Yep. Here we go. I'm going to run it a different way.
Yeah.
Backwards.
Okay. Wow, it's pretty close, just barely over the threshold.
Yep. So you want to do this? I'm going to run like this.
Yeah, back to back to back.
Okay, let me see if I can get 3. Ready? Anything?
No.
Okay, now we're going to try the hardest test is this.
Yeah.
Ready? I don't know if it was, how big is the signal? It might have because it hit. It might have hit the detector. Let's just do it this way.
Hit the top.
Yeah, may have. But this is double the product, right? So go ahead and start it.
No. I think it hit the top.
No.
Let's try it this way. Well, let's do it before. I want to make sure that it's not the product setting it off first. Okay, let's just see here. Anything?
No.
Okay. Now let's run your metal. So what we did is now we're like going to the absolute extreme of extreme. The product's about 40 degrees, and it's a mix and match of all of them. And I'm just going to jam it through the aperture and see what happens from a level. Any signal there? Okay, so now I'm going to take this 2.5 sample, and let's put it in the middle here. Let's get that product. Okay, here we go. And we got that 2.5 sample there. Without detection on the product signal.